Ginger, chia seeds, and lemon all have potential health benefits and may be helpful as part of a weight loss plan. Ginger. Ginger is a spice that is commonly used in cooking and has a number of potential health benefits. It is a good source of vitamin C, magnesium, and other nutrients. Some research suggests that ginger may help reduce inflammation, nausea, and muscle pain. There is limited scientific evidence to support the use of ginger for weight loss, but it may help by improving digestion and reducing appetite. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a type of seed that is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They are a good source of protein, antioxidants, and other nutrients. Some research suggests that chia seeds may help improve digestion and reduce appetite, which may aid in weight loss. It is important to note that chia seeds should be consumed in moderation as they are high in calories and may interfere with the absorption of some medications. Lemon. Lemon is a type of citrus fruit that is high in vitamin C and other nutrients. It is a good source of fiber, potassium, and other minerals. Lemon may help improve digestion and support weight loss by helping to reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. It is important to note that the juice of one lemon contains about 17 calories, so it is important to keep track of your intake if you are trying to lose weight.